What's up? How y'all doing? This one, no? This one? Thank you. How y'all doing? I can't help it, just gotta pick up my feet. Head to the dance floor, hold and put my safe face on. Clear out some space, cause tonight I'm going strong. I keep away. It's okay. Don't know what this song's about, I don't play. I just make my body shout. Gonna kick, turn, pop, up, work. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Just bounce, everybody bounce. Oh, make your feet jump off the ground. So when you hear the music loud, just bounce, everybody bounce, just bounce, everybody bounce. When you feet you fall the ground. And when you hear the music loud, just bounce, everybody bounce, just bounce. Focus here on this spot, I move like a robot. Technically speaking, you would say that I am very hot. What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? Come at me proper and tell me right now, what's your malfunction? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? What's your malfunction, huh? Yeah. It's time for the breakdown. I'm about to make it rough. 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 Is this too tough? Click, mine. Click, mine. know you must be thinking, oh damn, it tastes so good, you don't even know where to begin. Just go do what feels right, make sure to grip it tight. You keep it up like that, this lollipop won't last all night. I know you can do that with my lollipop. Lollipop, and you got it here to make my heart drop. Speed it up, slow it down through the middle. Hold on, you it's hard for a little. And like I don't know the best part inside, so get ready, you're about to get my prize. Yeah, come on, lick, the lollipop. Eat it up real fast for it to drop. Put it on your face, stick it up, eat it up, yum, high. Lick, the lollipop. Like that, ooh, yeah, and they don't stop. Cause your eyes on the wide say, ooh, eat it up, yum, high.
Lick it up, eat it up, yum yum ha.
Let's hear for Cory B, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, boys. Grab the mic, please. Anybody? What you think there?
You had me at hot blackout dancers. I like your droopy blouse. I appreciate your titties, and I enjoyed your performance a lot.
That's it. Thank you so much, Marty Thomas. Let's hear for Cory B. Thank you so much, baby doll.